Hey everyone, how are y'all? I am back with another video and it's a hair tutorial. Now I know that some of you may want to jump straight into the actual tutorial and you don't care about the tips and tricks and all the details and all that good old stuff. So if you do, here is the timestamp for that. It's also in the description. Click on it and you can just hop right on over. But for anyone else that wants to know the details, let's get into it. So the hair that I use is the Eayon hair. I will link it down below. I do not earn a commission. Now this hair is the double drawn Burmese hair 10A human hair bulk hair 20-inch natural color waterway. Natural color. So no, it does not match my hair, but I think I did a pretty good job at tucking and blending what I could. Not perfect, but I have not braided my own hair in probably like 7 years, honestly. For real. Like, it's been a long time. So I think that I did pretty well. But I did Kimberly Sherrill on TikTok and on YouTube is actually who I followed. That's whose tutorial that I followed. Now, my parts are butchered. I did do this on stretched hair, and I would not say that these are knotless because I did not add the hair in at the beginning. I basically did a plait and then I started adding in the hair towards the end to add length and depth. So another thing to be mindful of when you're doing your hair is to be mindful of your length, your depth, your fineness of certain parts of your hair, some strands, because that's how you determine how much you need to add in, when you need to add in. You don't want to add in a lot to the ends. When I first started, I was, and so that can make the ends of your hair very, very thick. And after you get done doing all of this, you do not want bushy ends. Like, you don't want all this to be flat with bushy ends. So just be mindful of that. Also, if you want another option for the hair, I will link this in my Amazon storefront as well. Something that's more affordable, because I know that real human hair can be on the pricey side. But I will go through reviews and personally link a few in my Amazon storefront for y'all. I did not put foam on my hair and set it. You can do that. That is an option for you. I would highly recommend it, but I do not have a hooded dryer, and I feel like that's really important whenever you're, put some kind of heat to it. And also, I just didn't feel like doing all that, but do it. Do it. Now, this hair, again, is 10A human hair. So you can wash it, you can wet it, you can add foam to it. It's not supposed to tangle. You can run your hands through it. Now, mine right now is a little bit more on the clumped side, because as I was braiding in, I was adding this gel to kind of smooth it, to really tuck my hair. So it kind of has a little bit of product throughout it, but I am going to wet it. I do think that will help a lot. If you want to see how I pre-parted my hair, now I pre-parted my rows. I did not pre-part my sections, but I did pre-part my rows. That is going to be a separate quick run through video, but we'll go ahead and get into the tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. I will definitely answer them. If y'all need anything else, if there are any other tutorials y'all want me to try, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all, and see you later. If y'all like the little mirror, then it's going to be linked in my Amazon storefront.
Okay, y'all, so do not stress. We're just going to begin with a basic plait. You can do it. Just go ahead and start plaiting your hair. It's a basic braid. We're not going to add in hair just yet. We will begin to add in hair for the boho effect, but it's still not feeding in hair to the entire braid. So just keep watching and let's get started.
Got this piece is a little bit thicker and it already has length, so I don't have to add anything for thickness or length. So I'm just go ahead and start adding some boho pieces in. I like grab it and then feed it into my pointer and thumb.
Alright, and we're just going to go back to plaiting, not adding any hair in. We'll add some of the braiding gels just to keep the strands smooth. After a few more plaits, we're going to add in another boho piece. The longer side is what stays on the outside. See how short that piece is? That's on the inside. That'll be added to the braid because we're not trying to make the braid thicker or longer just yet. It's literally just to attach the boho piece.
She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation.
Now down here I can feel it getting just a tad bit thinner because my hair is a little thinner in this Eayon 5. So I'm going to add just a little bit on my thinnest pieces for some thickness.
Now I don't want to make the ends of my hair too thick, so I'll continue to do boho pieces and add small pieces into the actual braid as I go along. But I wait until my strands are small, probably about half of the size of the folded boho piece, before I start adding in for length. That way it's not thick, I don't have a chunky braid at the bottom, and it's all kind of uniform and going from biggest at the root to smallest at the bottom. Now your length is completely up to you. I do advise that you continue to add the braiding gel to continue to smooth the strands together. Once you reach your desired length, you can take a very small piece, wrap it around twice, and tie it in a knot. This will secure your braid and make sure that it doesn't unravel.
Alright, so that's braid number 2 done. Well, out of I don't know how many. I'm going to go ahead and finish up some more of them. I will come back on when it's time, when I'm fully done and it's time to like spray it and get it all, you know, nice and uniform. So don't go anywhere. We'll be back.
Now to put some bounce back into my hair after having the braiding gel throughout the strands to kind of weight it down a little, I'm just going to spray my hair with just water. This is plain old water in the water bottle. I'm going to use this to spray throughout my hair. Again, this is human hair, so it can handle it, and it actually makes it a little bit easier to detangle. The hair was not tangled, but just to run my fingers through. Again, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, just be sure to leave them down below and I'll get back to you. If you have any other styles that you want to see me do a tutorial on or just try, leave them down below as well. And I hope that you guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye.